Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds TCL. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. Your earbuds are disconnected from the phone. After that, open the charging case, remove your earbuds from the case, and your earbuds should reconnect to your phone automatically. Sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that don't want to reconnect automatically, so if you have this problem, just go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list tap at your earbuds, and then it should reconnect. And with this method, you can fix a lot of small and sometimes big troubles with your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.